Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Batey and I'm a registered dietitian with the Food is Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to be making a super simple, nutritious smoothie. This smoothie would be great for breakfast or even just a snack, and it's especially good for anyone who may be experiencing chewing or swallowing problems, or who may have a decreased appetite and is looking for a way to get in extra protein and nutrition. These smoothies are super flexible. You can add whatever fruits you like or even vegetables, but I'm keeping it simple today. So I'm gonna start with a frozen banana. When I get home from the store, I often just peel a few of my bananas, stick them in a bag in the freezer because they make smoothies extra creamy with almost like an ice cream texture. Now I'm gonna add a cup of Greek yogurt. Now I chose low-fat Greek yogurt, just the plain kind, because it's super high in protein. But you could really use any yogurt you wanted. Next, I've got a cup of frozen mixed berries. And again, you could use any fruit you wanted. I really like berries both for their flavor, but also because they contain a lot of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are really good for your brain. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey. This is just for sweetness. And then last but not least, I am gonna add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds contain both protein and a healthy fat that's really good for both your brain and your heart. Now, finally, I am going to add a half a cup of water. This is just to get things moving. If I turn on the blender and it doesn't seem to be moving along well enough, then I will add more water. All right, let's blend this up. So here you have it, a simple, nutritious, customizable smoothie that's super refreshing, but it's also gonna be super filling because it's full of that protein and fiber that you need to get you through the day. You can try it with your own mix of fruits or even vegetables. Try out different types of liquids, like different types of milk, or different types of protein, like even a protein powder. I hope you'll give it a try and make it your way.